Hi, this is Amir Anzur, and I wanted to record a message for Burair Ali Hussain. And if you're thinking about taking coaching with him, I would strongly encourage it. I've worked with some of the best coaches around the world in the US, in London, and in Dubai. And Burair is at the forefront of coaching, and his methods and his mindset is really at the top of the game. I work with Tony Robbins, attended a lot of his trainings, and I can say that Burair Ali Hussain is at the top of the game. And if you really want someone to take your life to the next level, he can help you because he's gone through all the trainings. He's got the good coaches. He's gotten other clients that he's helped, and I think he can really help you as well. And I know that he's had a really positive impact on my life, and I think that he will have a positive impact on you as well. He's a great person to know and a great person to work with, so I would highly recommend Burair to work with.